Sumatran rhino, the last hairy giant. In the dense, humid jungles of Sumatra and Borneo, where mist settles over the ground and trees form an almost impenetrable wall, lives one of the planet's most ancient creatures, the Sumatran rhinoceros, Dicerorhinus sumatrensis. This animal seems like a relic from the era of mammoths. Its body is covered with sparse, bristly hair, and small, shiny eyes peek out from under thick folds of skin. The Sumatran rhino is not just rare. It is a living reminder of ancient times when giants once roamed the earth. Appearance and anatomy. The Sumatran rhino is the smallest of all modern rhinos, yet still impressive. Body length reaches 2.5 to 3 meters, shoulder height up to 1.5 meters, and weight can be up to a ton. It has two horns. The front horn up to 25 centimeters long, and a smaller rear horn often barely visible. Its thick, folded skin gives it a unique, almost mythical appearance. Unlike its African relatives, the Sumatran rhino is covered with sparse brown hair, especially noticeable in younger individuals, earning it the nickname hairy rhino. This hair protects the rhino from insects and the constant humidity of its tropical forest home. Habitat and behavior. The Sumatran rhino prefers wet lowland tropical forests, swamps, and mountainous areas with dense vegetation. It is a solitary animal, spending most of its life alone, marking territory with tree scratches and dung piles. Primarily nocturnal, the rhino hides in the shade or bathes in mud during the day. These daily mud baths protect the skin from insects and overheating, a vital ritual in the hot, humid jungle. Diet. Despite its fearsome appearance, the Sumatran rhino is a peaceful herbivore. Its diet includes over 100 plant species, young shoots, leaves, fruits, branches, and even bark. It particularly favors figs and wild fruits that fall to the forest floor after rain. Its flexible upper lip, almost like a short trunk, allows it to grasp leaves and pull branches into its mouth with surprising dexterity. By consuming fruits and spreading seeds, the rhino also acts as a gardener of the forest, helping to regenerate the jungle. Reproduction and offspring. Sumatran rhinos reproduce very slowly. Pregnancy lasts about 15 to 16 months, and usually only one calf is born. The mother cares for the young for about 2 years, teaching it how to find food, avoid dangers, and take mud baths. Females reach sexual maturity at 6 to 7 years, males slightly later. Because of their small numbers and solitary lifestyle, it is often difficult for rhinos to find mates, one of the main reasons for their critical population decline. Threats to survival today: fewer than 80 Sumatran rhinos remain in the wild. Most live in protected areas of Indonesia, including Waikambas National Park and Bukit Barisan Selatan National Park. The main threats are human activities, not predators. Deforestation and poaching for their horns, historically used in traditional medicine, have drastically reduced their numbers. While hunting is now illegal, habitat loss continues to endanger them. Conservation efforts. Scientists and zoologists worldwide have established breeding programs in captivity. At the Cincinnati Zoo in the United States, a pair of Sumatran rhinos successfully reproduced, a milestone in conservation history. In Indonesia, the Sumatran Rhino Sanctuary offers a naturalistic reserve where rhinos can live in conditions close to their wild habitat. Each birth here is celebrated globally, as every calf represents hope for the species. Significance and symbolism. The Sumatran rhino is more than a rare animal. It is a living symbol of ancient life and the fragility of nature. It lived when mammoths still roamed the earth, and now it depends on humans to survive. Its bristly body and quiet footsteps through the wet jungle remind us that the planet harbors incredible creatures, many of which remain barely known. If the Sumatran rhino disappears, it won't just be the loss of a species. It will be the loss of a living bridge between prehistoric times and the present.